Good morning.
Mr. Jay, how are you doing?
Very well.
Good,
Very
good.
well.
It's
Meet
about
you.
5:45 in the morning. We're
Yes,
here
sir.
on the bus lot.
We are.
Tell us a little bit about yourself. We're about to head out on your route.
First of all, I'm glad to have you
Well,
all
appreciate
aboard. I'm a retired military veteran, 27 years, 2 branches of service, 1 war. I'm a Class A driver. I drive tractor trailers, dump trucks. Now I'm just slow on my roll driving the bus.
So how long you been driving the bus?
Going in my 8th year.
What do you love most about it?
The children, that's what it's all about.
That's it. You ready to go for a ride?
Oh, absolutely.
Let's do it. Tell us a little bit about your service. What branches were you in?
I served in the Army, got out for a year. I was in the infantry, went back in the military in the Coast Guard for 7 years. Search and rescue, drug interdiction in Miami. And then I got out and the very next day went back in the Army.
Love it.
Yes, sir.
So this is Katie, our bus monitor. What does that do for you, having a monitor on the bus? How does that impact your job?
Katie helps me a lot, allows me to focus on driving, which is the priority. This is Mallory.
Hey,
She helped
Mallory.
me with the kids while Katie was gone.
Hey, tell me what makes Mr. J's bus special.
Because he's really good.
Oh, cool.
What'd she say?
She said because you were really, really nice.
Oh, this is a rewarding job. It really is. I had one stop where the mother and dad decided that they were gonna let their child become a car rider. I didn't know they were doing it. I pulled up there, they're saying their goodbyes, gave me some gifts. I mean, it really touched me deeply that they did that. Wasn't expecting it at all.
This is a tough job. It's mornings, it's afternoons, but it's a really rewarding job as well.
It is.
The relationships you build with the kids.
I left there, stopped crying.
Yeah.
I sure did.
Your kids you've been with all the way from elementary all the way to through to middle school, high school.
Oh yeah, and I tell you what, nothing warms my heart any better than to lose contact with one because I had to change a route or whatever.
Right.
Then they see me out in the public or running around the school, hollering at me, you know, saying hi.
That makes it all worthwhile.
Oh man, I'm telling you, I really enjoy that. Hi Victoria.
How are you? Good. Where was your favorite place that you were stationed in the military?
Miami.
Miami?
Oh yeah, that there was it was exciting work. It's what I wanted to do. I worked at the search and rescue station there, and oh my, 2,000 search and rescue cases.
Wow, that is amazing. So, Mr. J, what if you were going to recruit drivers? What makes this job special, and how would you recruit drivers?
I tell them about the pay. I tell them about the benefits, days off, your summer's free, and of course, it's about loving these kids, caring about them. Hi, Jordan.
She's ready for Christmas, PJ.
Yeah, buddy,
Hey,
she's
how are
ready.
you? Good. We have a lot of smart students here in Shelby County.
We sure do.
Yeah,
We
a lot
sure
of good
do.
kids.
Leaving them with positive experience, yeah, that's part of what I enjoy. I really enjoy watching them grow. I got nothing but praise for my experience with the principals, the teachers at the bus garage. I mean, support all across the board. We got a good group of people. We really do. We got people that care. The mechanics, I tell you what, our fleet, the mission readiness is high. They keep things going, they really do. And the people I work with are some of the best. Manny and Ginger both, they are receptive to everything that I've ever come to them with. They're doing a lot of good supporting us drivers. I believe they both care. I really do.
Good morning, transportation family. Good morning.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Zach. Bye, Jordan.
All right, you
Goodbye,
all have a
ladies.
good day.
We'll see y'all after a while.
Bye-bye. See you all. Have a good day.